Hello students, today I am going to start a new chapter which is linear inequation. So first let us understand what is inequation. A statement which says one side is either greater than or equal to, this is a sign for greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to another side, then it is called inequation. Like x plus 7 is greater than 9, or you can say 2x minus 3 is less than 5x minus 7. So all these are the example of inequation. Now let us understand few signs which we are going to use frequently in the chapter. This is a sign for greater than, this is a sign for less than, this is a sign for greater than or equal to, this is a sign for less than or equal to. Now what is linear inequation? Any inequation of the form like ax plus b greater than equal to 0 or less than 0 or strictly greater than 0 or strictly less than 0, where a and b are real number, are called linear inequation since inequality sign are there and highest power of the variable is 1, therefore it is called as a linear inequation. Before we solve, let us understand what is replacement set and solution set. Replacement set means for any linear inequation in x, the set from which the values of the variable x is chosen is called the replacement set or the universal set. Now, every sum a set is given to you, whether it might be set of natural number, it might be the set of integer, it might be the set of real number. So your answer belongs to that set. So that set is called as a replacement set. And the set of element of the replacement set which satisfy the given inequation is called the solution set or the truth set. Let us take one example. Suppose if it is given that x is greater than 6, so replacement set is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now x is greater than 6 when x is 8 and 10. Therefore solution set is 8 and 10 and the original set given is called as a replacement set. Now how we are going to solve the linear inequation? Rules are remain the same, the methods are remain the same, the way we are solving the linear equation. Only changes you need to mention here, or only changes that come across is whenever we are multiplying or dividing each side of an inequation by a negative number, we need to reverse the sign of inequality. All the rules remain the same as we are solving in case of a linear equation. Let us take the first sum. If the replacement set is the set of natural number, solve 3x minus 4 greater than 6. So first we take this minus 4 to the other side, it will become plus 4. So 3x is greater than 6 plus 4, that is 10. So x is greater than 10 by 3. That means x is greater than 3 1 by 3. Now 3 1 by 3 is greater than 3 and it is not a natural number. Our replacement set is the set of natural number. So your solution set will be 4, 5, 6 and so on. So here you will get more than one solution. With in case of a linear equation, you will get unique value of x, but here you will get one or more than one value of x. That's why we called it as a solution set. And one thing you need to remember, since it is a solution set, so always you need to write under the curly bracket. Our next problem is minus 17 less than 9y minus 8. Here y belongs to z. This is the replacement set. Y belongs to the set of integer. So we write 9y minus 8 greater than minus 17. So if you take minus 8 to the other side, this will become plus 8. So 9y is greater than minus 9. it implies y is greater than minus 9 by 9. Therefore, y is greater than minus 1. Greater than minus 1, integer is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Therefore, solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3 on so on. Thank you student for watching this.